Here in this video, we would like to solve a problem. The problem is like this. If pressure of a gas is increased by 10% at constant temperature, what is the percentage change in the volume of that gas? So what is given for you is the first condition. Temperature of the system is kept constant. For a gas, for a given mass of the gas, when temperature is constant, pressure is inversely proportional to volume, and that law is called as Boyles law. So pressure into volume is constant. That can be written as P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. If you assume P1 as P2 is pressure is increased by 10%. P2 is P1 plus 10% of the original P1. So P plus 10% means 10 by 100 of P. That is P 1 by 10, that is 0.1 times of P. So that is 1.1 times of P. If new pressure is 1.1 times of P, what is the change in the volume? For that, first of all, I have to find what is the final volume is. So I can use this basic law. What is that law is? P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. You call that P1 as P1 as P itself, as you are saying, as we have assumed P1 as P, you call it as P1 as P. V1 as V. P2, as I told you, is 1.1 times of P. V2 equal to V. That implies this P and P can be cancelled. V2 equal to V by 1.1. That is V by 11 by 10. 1 point. That is 10 by 11 times of V. That is 0.909 times of V. So new volume is 0.909 times of V. So what we can say? Change in the volume is V2 minus V1 is, no, I have to say V1 minus V2 because V2 is less than that of V1. So as the pressure increases, volume decreases. So V1 minus V2 is V minus 0.909 times of V. That is 1 minus 0.909 is yeah, it is 0.091 times of V. So V1 minus V2 by V equal to 0.091. That implies change in the volume by original volume is 0.091. If you want the percentage, because the given change in the pressure is in percentage, you have to multiply that with 100. So that's going to be equal to 9.1%. The percentage, this is fractional change, this is the percentage change. So what is the percentage change is 9.1%. I want you to be very careful in understanding one thing. What is the thing is, when the pressure is changed by 10%, volume is not changed by 10%, but volume is changed by 9.1%. We used to blindly write that is 10%. This is inversely proportional. Therefore, that is decreased by 10%. So it increases by 10%. Like that, we have a general perception. That's wrong. Be careful that we have to calculate and identify that. That's how we can solve this problem. This is basing on the Boyle's law. That's it. Thank you for watching.